Hello, my name is Andrew Dua, and today I'll be presenting Smith&Nephew PLC with my mentee, Joey Sullivan, who will be covering risks and management. Smith&Nephew PLC, NYSE ticker SNN, is a leading global portfolio medical technology company focused on the development, manufacturing, marketing, and sale of unique medical devices. It operates in three main segments: orthopedics, sports medicine and ENT, and advanced wound management. Their specialities include extremity replacement surgery, advanced surgical systems, and real intelligence. SNN's primary markets include the United States, mainland China, and the United Kingdom. Smith&Nephew is currently headquartered in Watford, United Kingdom, and was founded in 1856. Smith&Nephew is currently an industry leader in every field they operate, with their biggest strength being in advanced wound management. SNN currently has 29% of the global market share, and this industry is expected to reach a valuation of $3 billion by fiscal year 2025 with a CAGR of 1.5%. Many of the products that the firm produces involve extremity replacement or reconstruction, which includes hip, shoulder, hand, elbow, and knee reconstruction. These surgeries typically fall into two categories: elective and necessary, and generally is considered an ambulatory procedure. The domestic market for these surgeries is densely populated, and Smith&Nephew has made an effort through organic and inorganic growth to bolster their innovative products. This include real intelligence and next generation shoulder replacement, the latter of which was acquired in late 2020 by the company. This industry is expected to grow 4% annually through fiscal year 2025 and reach a valuation of $36 billion. Smith&Nephew also produces and distributes products through their advanced wound management division that manage and prevent severe infections of patients after they have completed an invasive reconstruction or replacement surgery. They're also currently developing a proprietary intelligence software program to assist with the technical surgeries by combining artificial intelligence and human knowledge. Additionally, as the industry recovers from COVID-19, Smith&Nephew has put an increased focus on increasing R&D costs over the next 2 years in order to continue to roll out innovative products and increase their presence in China and other Asian markets. Because of the reasons listed above, it is recommended that Smith&Nephew be added to the AIM International Fund with a price target of $40.75, representing an upside of 26.52%. In September of 2020, the firm acquired Integra Life Sciences orthopedics business for $240 million in an all-cash deal. The acquisition was targeted to build out their pipeline for shoulder replacements, as well as hand, wrist, elbow, ankle, and foot reconstructions. With these additions came the next generation shoulder replacement surgery, which is expected to be released in fiscal year 2022. These surgeries are targeted at athletes and the elderly population, which is projected to grow at a CAGR of 3.1% through fiscal year 2025. And with the total market growing at a CAGR of 2.3% to a valuation of $9.8 billion, with Smith&Nephew representing 3.3% of the total market. Real Intelligence is a proprietary software program designed in-house by the firm to combine technological advancements and human knowledge to overcome issues in the conventional surgical system. These are currently housed with SNN's orthopedic division. The software is a subscription-based interface system that provides surgeons with the necessary knowledge to perform advanced replacement surgeries and involves expanding the current capability of surgery by providing a unique, personalized experience to all surgeons, regardless of ability and tools. The surgical intelligence technology industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 1.6% through 2025 and reach a valuation of $46.7 billion. Part of the firm's COVID-19 recovery plan revolves around improving the company's operating efficiency after the large decrease in elective surgeries, which negatively impacted all three business segments. This plan includes boosting research and design spending for new innovations, creating new products exclusively for the Chinese markets, which are severely underserved in the areas that SNN operates. This market is currently valued at $702 million and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 9.4% through 2025, reaching a valuation of $1.1 billion. The first step to reach an intrinsic value for SNN was building a 5-year DCF model. Using a perpetuity growth rate of 1.75% and a WACC of 5.45%, an intrinsic value of $36.74 was reached. The sensitivity analysis of plus and minus 50 basis points on the terminal growth rate and WACC was conducted with a range of $31.09 to $54.41. Additionally, a price-to-earnings multiple valuation was conducted using a weighted peer average of 1.59 times, resulting in a relative valuation of $51.27. Finally, an EV to sales multiple valuation was conducted using a weighted peer average of 1.03 times, resulting in a relative valuation of $33.23. By weighting these three models, 60%, 30%, 10%, a price target of $40.75 was reached, representing a 26.52% upside. Smith&Nephew currently pays a dividend yielding 2.20%.
The first risk is supply disruption. Smith&Nephew relies heavily on many raw materials, components, and electrical materials to manufacture products such as replacement joints and wound care devices. As the global supply chain crisis continues, a major risk is posed to the company. Next, positioning their mergers and acquisitions will be crucial to long-term success. Given the company's switch to work from home during the COVID-19 pandemic, the due diligence process required to initiate an acquisition may be harmed. In mitigating this risk, the company has strictly aligned acquisition activity with their long-term corporate strategy. Finally, a crucial portion of Smith&Nephew's revenue is generated through the sale of medical devices used in elective surgeries such as joint replacements. The pandemic has caused many individuals to postpone elective procedures, and the continuance in a lag of demand may harm the company. Roland Digelman has been Smith&Nephew's CEO since 2020. Prior to his appointment, he held leadership positions with Sonova Holdings, Hartforce, and Economics. Anne Francois Nesmes was appointed as CFO in July 2020 after a 16-year career in management at GlaxoSmithKline. Peter Koenen joined Smith&Nephew in September 2020 as president of the Europe, Middle East, and Asia division, and previously served as president of Terumo Interventional Systems. Finally, in October 2021, Paul Connolly was appointed as the president of Global Operations. Prior to this, he held similar roles at Johnson & Johnson and the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company.
Smith&Nephew has positioned themselves well for the future with new acquisitions, building out their pipeline, and new business ventures. And I expect them to grow handedly through the next 5 years and continue to be a major player in this marketplace. Me and my mentee would like to thank you for your time listening to our slideshow today. And if you have any questions, you may address them with me through my email, phone number, on D2L in the discussion forum, or with the live Q&A session or on Teams. Thank you.